what's up? So I thought I would make a warm-up drawing video. Sometimes in the morning, I'll just grab a piece of scrap paper, whatever is laying around, and just get the hand going and get the mind going, get hopefully some creativity going. I don't really have any expectations with the warm-up drawings. Sometimes they come out good. Most of the time, it's just to kind of work out the cobwebs from the night before and just get loose and get ready to start drawing throughout the day. I should do this more often. I don't do this every day. So sometimes the first hour of the work that I'm working on is kind of like my warm-up drawing. So I feel like if I took out 20 minutes to a half hour every day, I'd probably save myself some time in the beginning just working off some of the rust. So if you're someone who draws for a living or likes to draw just leisurely, maybe this is a good idea, just to pick up a piece of scrap paper, whatever's laying around, and just sort of stretch. I thought I would film it too, and I got a little setup going on over here, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what comes out. It might be an awful drawing, but if that's the case, that's cool too. Stay tuned, and let's see what happens.